In this video, I want to talk to you about white balance. In Capture One software, there's a very professional way to get the correct white balance. Let's take a look together. I've selected a photo. It's a commercial shot where we want to have the right white balance. At first glance, it seems like the white balance of our photo is correct and has no issues. But the point is, if we just move our mouse over the photo and look closely at the bright areas, we'll see the RGB values aren't equal. We must remember that we have a correct white balance when the bright or dark areas have equal or very close RGB values. In this image you're seeing here, the RGB values aren't close and our blue value is a bit lower. While this milk here should have RGB values close to each other, and well, that hasn't happened. So I have a white balance error here. But many people use the white balance panel and the eyedropper tool here, click once and try to fix the white balance. Well, this is normal, and the software does correct the white balance. But we must keep in mind that when we use this eyedropper for white balance, the software tries to average the correction, but there's a more precise way. I'll go to the crop tool and select it. I'll select the area that should have the correct white balance, which is my bright area based on the color white. Exactly like this, I'll define this area for it. Now, if I use the white balance eyedropper, I have a completely isolated frame, allowing the tool to calculate more accurately. I just need to click in the middle of the cropped area and my white balance is corrected. But to go back to viewing my full image, I simply need to select the crop tool again, right-click and hit the reset to exit crop mode. Now I have a perfectly correct and precise white balance. This is a very important point, that we can now have such an accurate white balance. If you look at the before and after of my image, this is before and this is after. With this method, you can easily correct the white balance of any photo that has a white space in it. I'm Maysam Kadampour. If you like this video, give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and if you weren't following me, hit that subscribe button now and follow me so you don't miss the next video.